Are you ready? All right, so I got something really good for y'all. All right, so when it comes to pest control, this is that time of the year. All types of animals, they start looking for warm places, and then they end up in your house. They may see that some of the children drop some food, and now you got mice, you got raccoons, and you got possums in your place. So what are you ever to do? I got me a mouse trap that is live catch. So this morning, woke up around 11. Woke up around 11. I thought I heard something in the back. We on the Forest Reserve, so I heard scratching and everything. So I got up, looked in the kitchen, because lo and behold, that's where I saw the mouse a couple days ago, at least like a week ago. We made some ketchup, or ketchup. We made a peanut butter poison trap, but the peanut butter was over 20 years old. So this is what I'm saying. We finally caught it, and I'm about to show y'all release of this mouse. Okay, so y'all can see it. All right, so I got it right here in this bag. So hey, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, I got the bag opened. I got the top off, and now I'm about to take this mouse trap out. So I got the mouse trap out. Got this at Home Depot for like $4. And as you can see him right there. He can smell the nature. Been fanning it up on cheese and peanut butter. Fresh cheese and peanut butter, not that 20-year-old peanut butter. So we're about to let him go. Don't you see how happy he's getting? You can tell he's in his natural habitat. Alright, so I know you guys excited, so pump up the volume, pump up the volume. We about to let a little deer mouse go back to his native habitat. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide this joint back. There he goes. All on my kitchen counter and everything, looking for whatever he was looking. Go ahead, man. You're free. Go ahead, little deer mouse. Look at you eating all my peanut butter. Eating all my let's zoom in on him. That's the little critter eating all my cheese. Eating all my peanut butter. Look at it. Look at it. He froze. I'm trying to catch him just run. But he's froze because he don't know what to do. I'm right here by him. Here, I'm gonna move it back. There you go. Oh my gosh! Instant replay! See that hop? There he goes. Alright, you guys. So now that you guys saw the mouse, deer mouse, go out into nature, we're gonna take a look at the mouse trap. Alright, so I got the mouse trap right here. So this is the top. Um, Basically, I'll show that part to you guys. But this is where they enter. So you put peanut butter, cheese, make sure it's fresh. They don't like a whole bunch of preservatives. They like their stuff non-GMO, vegan friendly, keto friendly, all that good stuff without all them extra ingredients. Animals can smell all that stuff They have to be very hungry in order to eat that stuff. But when you trying to catch them into a live trap, you want to go with the best. Okay, so I went with the best. So that's what I put in there. He's been eating on that all night while he was trapped in here. But basically, they just walk on this thing. Boom. And once they walk past, they get the food over here. That pops back up. And when you're reusing this, you're using sticky peanut butter, you want to clean this so it doesn't stick like that. Okay. But yep, it goes just like that. They walk in there, boom, boom, they caught. This thing was by Victor, and yeah, I got it from Home Depot for about $4, and that's what it is. Hey, so now you know what to do when it comes to fall time. Animals are all over the place, running around, trying to get into your house. And if one gets into your house, then you know what to do now. Especially if it's a mouse on your kitchen counter or your oven top, peeking his head out and in and out, coming from God knows where. Now you know what to do with a mouse trap that you got for $4 at Home Depot that says it can hold 4 mice. Or 2 big old mice like that one. Deer mice. And since deer mice are native to this part of Illinois, out here in Calumet City, we out over here at Sand Ridge Nature Center. Okay, this is where my first job was, summer job. So I decided, why not come here? It's more than 2 miles away, because if you release them near you, you might notice that they come back. Okay, so you want to go at least 2 miles away from you, preferably somewhere like this where they got plenty of habitat, nuts and seeds from acorns that are falling during this time of year. They can go make them a little dug hideout, and they can go get ready for the winter time, because that's what all the animals are doing right now. And you don't have to kill them if you don't want to, or you just got one. Now, if you got more than one, you might want to go ahead and kill those so it don't turn into an infestation, because mice can go ahead and breed very quickly. But I just saw one in here, and I just saw one running on top of my stove top, so I just went ahead and got this thing right here. Bring them over here, and that way I can reuse this thing just in case something else comes back in. Now that we're done with this part, releasing the live mouse, we're gonna go back to the spot to see and try to find out, where did this mouse come in from. And this is something else that I want to show you guys. This is the brand that I used to capture that mouse that was running on my stove. This is where I saw him running around, and I turned the corner, spent the block right here, and I was like, what the hell? Okay. And then I saw and heard something moving. I had a plastic bag right here, right? So I heard the plastic bag moving, and I saw his head peek out of one of these things right here. He poked his head out of here and ran in between this hole right here, and then there's some hole towards the back, and then he ran off somewhere. He or she, whatever the mouse pronoun it likes to go by. So now we're gonna go outside and look around to see where these mice could have came in. Okay, the one that I just saw, to see where it came in. Okay, so I'm outside, and what you want to do is you just want to walk along the perimeter and look for any little dig holes and everything. And I did that before this, and what I found was already over here. So that's a little dig hole. That right there is a dig hole. And when that right there, mice could slip through. And mice could slip right through there. Alright. So that's all you're pretty much doing. Walking along here. There was a hole last year right here. And you're just looking for little dig holes. So once you find the little dig holes, you get you something like this. Now, this is very similar to that brand named Great Stuff. I just got this from Walmart. I didn't see Great Stuff at Walmart, so I got something that was similar to it. But it's basically an expanding foam. And what you do is, this comes with a little spray nozzle that I need to go, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I found it. You get this nozzle, pop the cut, and then screw that on. There it goes. So boom, once you find your hole, you get in here, right there where you guys see that hole, and then you get the spider web out of the way. And you spray right in the hole. Boom, boom. Alright, so I had to go to the store and get some more. I'm at Walmart. This is where I found it. That's what I'm gonna get right there. It's over right next by the Gorilla Glue. Alright, so just came back from the store, and I'm about to fill up this last gap right here. Got my paper towel. Hold on, let me get my paper towel. Alright, got my paper towel. And that is it. Alright, so now we're all sealed around. Good to go, good to go, good to go. And now we're gonna go back inside so I can show you guys a pro tip. So what you wanna do is get you some of this throttle body cleaner. Take this off. Take this, put it into this nozzle right here, and then spray. Preferably over a sink. Okay? And then that's gonna clear out that. And then you take this and go right up in here too. That way you can reuse it. And the last pro tip I want to go ahead and let you go with is just so you know why the mice come in. So hey, just like this sign says, the inside of your house is private property, but mice don't know that. And the main two reasons they come in is because of it's got more heat at nighttime, so they're also nocturnal, so you see them more at night, but sometimes they come out during the day to feed. And then the second thing is because around this time of the year, fall, they're looking for fatty and carby foods. Things like peanuts, cheese, anything of the sort. Grains, rice, seeds, peanuts, and things like that. That's actually what I used to catch that mouse. Since I knew he was looking for something fatty and energy dense, I put some cheese and I put some peanut butter, fresh cheese and fresh peanut butter in that trap, and caught them within 24 hours. So now you know how to get rid of mice humanely, or you can go ahead and just go ahead and kill them and feed them to the wildlife around here. Raccoons, possums, and skunks eat them. Now you know how to do it. So next time you see a mouse on top of your stove like he was on mine, you can go ahead and get rid of him yourself. And if you want to watch more videos on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, go and visit Man's the Teacher of Attraction on YouTube.com. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. I just got a shirt and these girls wanna flirt. I just got a shirt and these girls wanna